Tell me what an 8K holographic interactive display means.
That's right. So the new Immersive 8K displays are light field displays that can take a three-dimensional scene and make it appear like it is there in front of you, in the room with you. And they're doing that by using a proprietary software stack we developed in-house that renders a digital light field of any scene in a 3D engine, and then displays that using our Looking Glass monitors and sends a light field out into the world. Now, light fields, for those of you who are unfamiliar with them, are the 3D pattern of light that we see when we look around a room. When you're looking at me, you're seeing a light field of my face. And if we can recreate that 3D pattern of light, which we do with our monitors, your eyes believe in the illusion of presence. They believe it's there.
And the nice thing about this is there are no glasses. It has an incredible field of view. You were saying about 50 degrees or so.
That's right.
And I can capture these images, with anything that's set up to do volumetric capture.
That's right. So we work with all types of three-dimensional assets, everything from game engines like Unity, Unreal. People work with 3D meshes. People work with volumetric video capture assets, as well as things like RGBD video, point clouds, and straight-up light field video. We've seen all different sorts of 3D data come in, and we work with across the board with different types of data to be able to display it in the real world.
Your technology isn't just about display. You also have an interactivity component. Tell me about how you've done controllerless interaction.
Oh, that's right. So we love working on ways people to come up without any gearing, any friction, putting anything on your face or anything on your hands, and directly work with three-dimensional scenes. And so we've worked with a variety of interface devices, everything from simple touchscreens to 3D interface devices like the Leap Motion, to be able to reach in and with no special training, with no expertise in 3D, to be able to work, manipulate, and interact with three-dimensional scenes there in front of you.
All right, let's get down to brass tacks. Let's say someone wanted to start experimenting with Looking Glass technologies. Let's say they've got a killer application in the back of their mind. What do they need? At minimum, what kind of hardware, what kind of outlay, what kind of development costs are they looking at to start making their first Looking Glass app?
Sure, I'm glad you asked. So we've been shipping development kits since 2018. And they come in a variety of sizes. The smallest is an 8.9 inch going up to a 15.6, about the size of a laptop monitor. Those run off of a run-of-the-mill gaming laptop, nothing particularly fancy. Mine's from Amazon. And they'll work in any type of 3D environment. So we have a suite of holographic tools that require no programming, but for those who are 3D creators and work in creation suites like Unity, Unreal, Maya, Blender, we have support for each one of those so they can get their own work into a Looking Glass directly.
If they wanted to find out more, where should they go online?
LookingGlassFactory.com.
If you're looking for the next generation of interactive holographic displays, you just need to step through the Looking Glass.